This is a short take on my new Sony a6400 equipped with the 16-50 kit lens. I have to say, this is going to be my favorite camera, I think, for all kinds of work and play. 4K UHD 30 frames per second video, state-of-the-art focus, the E-mount lens system, which is pretty generous because I can use all my FE glass as well as the regular standard APS-C E-glass on this camera, no problem at all. So it's a pretty healthy ecosystem. Seems to run pretty well with the adapter by Sigma, and so I'm able to run my Canon EF glass on it as well, though not as quite as well as the standard stock glass, and also any of the Canon glass doesn't have image stabilization. This camera itself doesn't have image stabilization either, but shooting carefully, really don't think that's a big deal. Ironically, we're shooting this video on the oldest camera that I have of the bunch, my Canon 7D. This goes back to circa 2009. So it's ironic that the newest camera that I'm talking about will be shot with the oldest camera that I have.